Alright, I wanted to do a quick tutorial on the Ounier S9 screen protector 3D curve, shatterproof. So this was part of the box. When you open it up, you have the installation tray. Got the protector, which is actually really thick. In here, I assume we're going to have the wet cleaning pad, the wiping cloth, and the dust sticker. Yeah, so that's your dust sticker. This is the cleaning pad and the dry cloth to dry it off. And then you have your instructions. So I'm going to go ahead and take my case off. And then we're going to clean the front of the phone off. Alright, now it says to go ahead and put the installation tray on. Alright, we're going to go ahead and put the installation tray on. And we'll take off the sticker on the back of our screen protector. Place it in. Line it up with the tray. And then we take off the tray and just kind of press down on it. Wow, that was a lot easier than I thought.